Wow! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the Howick Historical Village. Everything here is really, really old. Older than your mum, even. Come check it out. Whoa. 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 Balance, Buzz. Balance. Wow. Oh, check this out, whānau. It's an ancient Kauri log, native to Aotearoa, New Zealand. All of our whānau used to cut them down and into pieces to build all of our whare with. Kia ora tāne māhuta. Awesome, awesome. Off to the next thing. Yeah, come on. Whoa! Look at this old school whare. The walls are made out of raupo. I wonder what's inside. Would anyone like a kauri? All right, cup of tea time's over. Let's head to the next whare. Check it out, cuzzies. It's an old school trough. There we go. And now there's plenty of water for the animals to drink. Whoa! Check it out, cuzzies. It's the old Ararimu Valley School. Let's see what's inside. See? Even this is made out of kauri. Tēnā koe te whare. All right, calm down. First lesson of the day. Why the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now, can anyone tell me who the dog is? Oh, pick me. Pick me. Anyone? I know. Buzz? The one that goes... Perfect. All right, Buzz, you can go to lunch early. Haere. It's been an awesome day exploring today, cuzzies. Ka kite anō.